And here we got the final output of our application. Notice creating an awesome blinking neon button using pure CSS. See, here the button is blinking. Let's create an awesome blinking neon button control using pure CSS style. So just for the time saving, I have created this basic HTML elements. Now inside this body, I have a center element and headings. After the horizontal line, the code here, to create a button here, I am adding href link. Href is equals to hash. Href is equals to, I am adding hash. And the class name I am adding here, class is equals to neon text. And here the label of the button is click the button. Instead of a href, you can add the button control also, but here for this example I am adding the href link just to make how the href links as a button control and show you here. That's it. Now in the header section, now we require the styles of this button href link. So here I am adding the style. Let's copy this one, neon text. Copy this one. Dot represents the class name, which is our class name is a neon text. Font family. The font family is, let's add, we'll add this font style. And color. Color is the background color here. The body I'm setting here. Body is BG background color. I'm adding background color is black. So here the font family I'm adding white. Position is fixed. And what else we have? Font size is larger. Let's add all the basic HTML CSS styles here. Bold. Border I'm adding solid 2 pixels, solid, and the color I'm adding red color. Instead of red color, we'll add orange color. The border of the button control orange. If you want, you can change that one. And I'm adding left is 50%, 50 pixels, and left and top 50 pixels, 50%, sorry, 50%, means exactly it will display the button control. The href link will display center of the browser. And also we require the border radius. I am adding the border radius of the button control. Transform, translate, minus 50% and minus 50%. This one also will display the center of the browser, this property also. And padding is 20 pixels of the button control. Let's add 15 pixels. And after that we require some shadows of this button control. So neon text dot neon text, let's create a shadows here. Text shadow is a property is there, text shadow. Now here 0 0 10 pixels, and the color I'm adding shadow white color. I'm increasing this comma, this one, copy this one, paste here. This is 20 pixels, and this is 30 pixels, comma, and now I'm adding the color of the neon color. Neon color is 0 0 0, only 2 zeros I'm adding here. After that I'm adding 10 20 30 is a white color, and here 40 pixels is the 40 pixels. The neon color I am adding here hash 00 E6 which is a neon color. and let's copy this one, paste here and paste here. This one 40, adjust the sizes here, pixels 40 and 60 pixels, this one 80 pixels, and the last one I will add 100 pixels. 100 pixels. Let's close this one. Neon text color. That's it. Now the keyframes are required. The blinking animation I need to add to this extra link. So at the rate keyframes neon animation. This neon animation I will create at the bottom, or will add here only, dot neon text animation neon animation. This variable is required. Neon animation 1.5 seconds, infinity, and alternate, because I want to blink the animations for this neon effect. Here 0% text shadow. So instead of neon animation 0% first I require, instead of writing this I am copying this neon text style 50%. Now the text shadow is none. Again 100% I want to show this neon text colors. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. We need to save this file to check the final output of our application. Let's save this file. Now let's open the file explorer to check the output. The folder I have created in the E drive, and the folder name is the JavaScript interview, and this is our file name, neon button. Let's check our button name is a neon button HTML. Now let's open that one, and here we got the final output of our application. See, the button is blinking. Let's add this red color to blue color only, and here we have added the text colors now. And let's change that one, h1 comma h2. What are the headings here? h1 h2 and h2. color is white, and instead of RGB red color, let's add this color only. Copy this one, hash neon color I am adding. That's it. Let's save this one. We'll check the final output of our application. I'm reloading the browser, and here we got the final output of our application. Notice creating an awesome blinking neon button using pure CSS. See, here the button is blinking. That's it. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share, and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.